Today, you are going to learn how to register for self-assessment for the first time using ChatGPT as your tax assistant. I will walk you through the exact prompts you can copy and paste so you understand whether you need to register, how to apply, and what information you must prepare before starting. This tutorial is perfect for beginners, freelancers, side hustlers, landlords, creators, and anyone earning untaxed income for the first time. Before you begin, gather your personal details, your national insurance number, your address history, and basic information about how you earn your income. If you are unsure whether you even need to register, the first prompt will help you confirm it. Start with, tell me if I need to register for self-assessment based on my income and work situation. Explain in simple steps. This helps you understand whether registration applies to you. Next, find out what you need to prepare using create a beginner-friendly checklist of everything I need before registering for self-assessment for the first time. This gives you a clear pre-registration list. When you are ready to apply, use Show me step by step how to register for self-assessment on the HMRC website, including where to click and what information to enter. If you want more clarity, add Explain the difference between registering as self-employed, registering as not self-employed, and registering as a landlord, with examples. Before completing your registration, double check with List the common mistakes people make when registering for self-assessment so I can avoid them. Finally, set yourself up for future success using Create a simple routine for keeping records after registering so filing my first tax return is easier. And that is it. Registering for self-assessment becomes straightforward once you know what applies to you, what documents you need, and how to move through each step confidently. You only need to use ChatGPT at the beginning and at the end to guide the process smoothly. Comment down below the topics or challenges you want help with so I can show you the right prompts to get the most out of ChatGPT.